Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got another 4th of July mani. I'll be using Let Freedom Ring, Star Spangled Selfie, and the American Sheen. This is my second one, so we're starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2. I always have to use Brave's Diva Let Freedom Ring every year for any patriotic holidays. It's a beautiful, beautiful polish that I got, I don't know, a couple of years ago, 3, 4, I don't know, but it's very beautiful. It's a blue polish with red glitters in it, and it's just perfect. This is Salon Perfects, and I've got the, this is the American Sheen, and it's just a gorgeous red. I mean, it's got a little bit of gold fleck in it, or shimmer, and I really do love this. It's got a good formula. I'm not having any trouble controlling it, even on these little bitty short nubby nails. So we're going to go in with the second coat of everything. You can kind of see those red glitters in there jumping out. What a favorite of mine. And then another second coat of American Sheen. It's been forever since I've seen Salon Perfect polishes anywhere in person. But when you do find them, give them a good shake, because they are really worth it. They're normally really good polishes. And here is Star Spangled Selfie. It's a topper with a bunch of little glitters and silver stars. And I just had to use this one this year. I just love it. Now, this one is chock full of glitter. I mean, it's not like they're being stingy like Simple Colors does, but their glitters, there's a lot in there. But you do got to manipulate them and, you know, kind of move stuff around where you want it. And I have no problems with that. I will do that any day of the week. Hi Woody, how you doing? In there cleaning up my mess. Okay, I'm going to top this all off with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down. I am going to do a little bit of stamping on the Let Freedom Ring nails today. And I'm just going to leave that accent nail right there on its own, just the way it is. And get that top coat on it and seal it down. This one was really cute. I'll be using the American Freedom from Sonia again today. I really do love that one. And I'll be using Shutout from Brave's Diva, my monocle stamper, and my Maniology scraper. And I'm just going to use this little like wavy star stripe image and just stamp a couple of nails with that image. But I do love this plate. Now I do have other plates with other patriotic images, but I'm just kind of hooked on this one. There we go. Tap, tap. I am getting low on this Shutout. I do have a backup bottle ready to go, but I'm trying to eke out every little bit of this out of this bottle because it's so good. Waste not, want not, right? So we're going to scrape that one real quick, pick up that image, and plop that one on the nails. Oh, lovely. And then I decided I wanted to leave one nail to where you could see a lot of the Let Freedom Ring. So I'm going to clean this plate off real quick and get it turned around to do one more little image on my pointer fingernail. And I'm digging that little heart with the flag on it. I thought that was so cute. Such a cute plate. We're going to get that excess up with that little tape. And then line this up, and there we go. So there you have it. I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup with my cleanup brush. I didn't even bother breaking out the tape. There wasn't a whole lot to do, so I wasn't even worried about it. I'm going to do that tidying up real quick. I hope you guys are enjoying getting to see, you know, some nail art on super short nails. It is possible, and you know, don't let having short nails ever stop you from playing and experimenting and enjoying it, because I really do believe nails look better painted no matter how short or long. I am going to top this one off with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology, and once it's dry I'll be using Poshe as my final top coat today, and we're going to seal everything in. So I do hope you enjoyed this one. I've got a swatch photo coming up soon. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.